Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting user accounts on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Users and Groups. Click the padlock icon in the bottom left, and then enter your Mac's user password to continue. Now click on the user account that you would like to delete. Once it's selected, click on the minus icon in the bottom left. Select what you would like to do with the home folder, and then click Delete User. That user account is now deleted from your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.